In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can factory reset your PlayStation portal. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, what you need to do is kind of swipe down from the top right corner. And it's going to pull up a page that looks something like this. Alternatively, you could just hit the PlayStation button. It's going to open up this exact same page. But essentially what you need to do here is just scroll down on here. And what you're looking for is going to be your settings. Once you're in your settings, go ahead and open those up. It's going to redirect you to a page that looks like this. And you need to go into this system settings page, just like so, and select system software. Once you're on here, what you need to do is find the little reset option. I understand it is a little bit hard to see right now, but go ahead and select reset options. And then from here, it's going to say you're going to be signed out and all of your settings are going to be deleted. Go ahead and just confirm by hitting reset and you are good to go. That really is the entire process. It might take a little bit of time, but once it does finish, you will be good to go. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.